Ramadan and what does it mean? Learn important information about Ramadan. Ramadan is a reward from Allah for Muslims. Muslims fasting this blessed month. Apart from the obligatory prayers, they also make special arrangements for Sunnah and Nawafil. This month has a special status and privilege over the rest of the year. But very few people know who created Ramadan and when, who named Ramadan. All the months of the Islamic year were named by the Arabs or after the revelation of Islam, but the name of Ramadan was given by Allah Almighty while reciting the Quran even before the creation of the world. There are many blessed verses in the Quran in which the word Ramadan is mentioned as a blessed month. Allah Almighty loved the month of Ramadan so much that other than the Quran, other inspired books such as the Torah, Zabur and Injil were also revealed during the month of Ramadan. The meaning of Ramadan is derived from the word rams or ramzo, which means to burn. Ramadan is called Ramadan because it burns away sins. When the believer begins to fast for the first time, Allah begins to burn his sins in the fire of hunger and thirst until the night of the 29th of Ramadan, when all the sins of the fasting believer for the last 1 year are forgiven.